Alex here, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a project in focus video. I will be sharing with you the first residential resort estates by the sea in Northern Mindanao, Coral Resort Estates. I know we all love going on a vacation, staying at a seaside resort, lounging by the beach, watching the sunset while sipping a glass of iced tea or a cup of coffee with a book in hand. Well, you can live like you're always on vacation at Coral Resort Estates. It is the first residential resort estates in Mindanao by the sea. It is developed by A. Brown, a premier developer, same developer of Xavier Estates, Valencia Estates, and Teakwood Hills, to name a few of their projects. This project is located in Pagahan, Initiao, right along the main road. It's about a 40-minute drive from Iligan and Laguindingan Airport and an hour's drive from CDO City. So it's right in the middle of Iligan and Cagayan de Oro. For the amenities, it has a 1,000 square meter Mediterranean-type clubhouse sprawled on the northern part of the estate overlooking the beach. So it has an open lounge area and function rooms which can seat up to 70 persons. Beside the clubhouse, they have an infinity pool, parks and playgrounds, meditation garden, and view deck. So it's the perfect venue for weddings or family gatherings. Imagine saying I do as the sun sets. Makes me want to get married again to my husband. My husband, of course. So maybe on our 10th anniversary, we can get married again here. Aside from the present amenities, A. Brown is also planning to build additional amenities such as a floating jetty, putting green, aqua sports area, and a pool by the sea. As you can see in the aerial shots, the property sits on top of a cliff overlooking the sea, so it's pretty dramatic. There are steps from the clubhouse leading down to the beachfront. The estate is composed of 3 phases. So this is the map showing phases 1 and 2. The blocks in white are already sold out, while the ones in pink are still available. So as of today, we have still a couple of units available for reservation. These 2 phases initially got sold out, but they had a couple of reopened units, so these are reopened units now. Here is a price list of the available lots. Regular lots are at 18,000 per square meter, roadside lots at 19,000 per square, corner lots are at 20,000 per square. So let me share with you a computation in Block 18, Lot 2. So it's 180 square meter lot at 18,000 per month. So that's about 3.2 million. Now they had a promo, but it's already finished because it ended at last September of 2021. You know how promos change regularly. So, but let's just follow this computation. And then, so less the discount, TCP, or total contract price is at 3 million. Now, the reservation fee is 100,000, deducted from the 10% down payment. That's 206,180 pesos. And then the equity is 18 months to pay. So that's the beauty of investing in a pre-selling property. You can pay the equity in installment at 0 interest. So your equity will amount to only 11,000 per month for 18 months. And then for the balance of 2.7 million, which can be financed by the bank, that's about 24,000 per month for a 15-year term at 6.5% interest. Now let me share with you the new phase of Coral Resort Estates located just beside their clubhouse. So this is their third phase where they've opened 7 blocks up for sale. So here's a computation of 1 lot in Coral Resort Estates Phase 3. So for their Phase 3, the cut is still 180 square meters, but it's at 20,000 per square. You multiply that by 180, that's about 3.6 less the discount, it's 3.2. So again, discounts change from time to time. So currently the discount is no longer applicable, but let's just follow the computation. So reservation fee is 100,000 pesos deducted from the equity of 10%. It's about 224,000 or only 9,000 pesos per month. So the equity is very affordable. And then for the monthly amortization at the bank, it's about 25,000 per month if you get a loan term of 15 years at 6.5% interest. An exciting new development to note is that A. Brown is planning to put up luxury condominiums overlooking the beach in the front part of this estate. So this will be another option for people who want a place by the beach that they can visit from time to time but don't want to have to maintain a house. The advantage of condos is that they're easier and more affordable to maintain compared to house and lot because you'll only need to maintain the interior of your unit. So they're still finalizing the details on this, but don't worry, as soon as I get the final information, I will make another vlog about it. So that's it for today's project in focus. If you have any questions about this project, please Just let me know in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Please do like and subscribe to be notified of new videos, and to be updated via email, send me an email so that I can add you to my mailing list. This way I can update you if there are new projects and good real estate deals in and around Cagayan de Oro. As always, I will see you in my next video.